Good evening, YouTube. Alright, so we find me in the van. It is 6:30 on Sunday evening, and I am heading up north. Because a few days ago I was doing some chores on the van. Ooh, van life, bike life, chores. So what I've done is underneath the van, I've had that up on these jacks or ramps, and just sprayed the hole underneath with Lano Guard. Now I'm changing out the old, oh dear, where is it, the old pump, the water pump. The roof's on. I was trying to fit a bull bar, and underneath there's a box, and it's got some bars there that go down there as well, but I need to take it to a garage first to get that done, because I can't do it on my own, can't fit the bull bar on my own. But yeah, just trying to get the jobs done that I can do. And I was sort of Lano guarding, protecting the underneath of it. Before that I got the roof put on, so it's got a pop top roof now. I also bought a front sort of nudge bar, A-bar, and side running, sort of like rock sliders, side running bars that go between the wheels down the side of the van. I thought I could just get them sent down from the company I bought them from up north, and I couldn't. Yeah, it was a bit of a struggle. I thought I could just, you know, sort of ratchet strap them up, pull them into position, go under the van, bolt them on, job done. Yeah, as if it was that easy. So phoned around a few places in my local area, and I got some ridiculous quotes. One company sent me said send me some pictures of the equipment you want to put on the van, so the bars and everything, and we get back to you with a price and a quote and tell you when we can do it. Anyway, so they came back to me after me sending them pictures, and they said, oh yeah, we can do it, it's going to be 450 quid. We're going to have to take the front bumper off and start drilling holes into the chassis. I was like, no you're not. So I found a few places. A lot of places wouldn't really get involved because they didn't know what they're doing. So I am going to take it, the equipment that I've got in the van there, so you can see the grill there in the back. That's the grill, and there's a box back there as well somewhere. There's the box that's got the sidebars in. So I am heading 4 hours up north. Gonna do it tonight, gonna travel up tonight, because my appointment's 8 o'clock in the morning. I just want to get this done now, because then the van will be pretty much finished, aesthetically, and interior, everything's done. The van's finished, you know. This is like the creme de la creme, the cherry on the cake. So gonna take it to the people that know how to put the stuff on, the people I bought them from. They got a cool company name called Vanimal up north. Should take them 2 hours to do everything, without taking bumpers off and drilling holes and all that sort of stuff. And so it just involves me traveling up 4 hours up north, camping out outside their unit, and then first thing in the morning I'm going to be taking the van in, let them do their magic, and I should be home by the afternoon. So that is my day off. I got a few days off, yeah, and this is going to take up 1.5 of the days off. So bit of a pain, but it's better to get something done properly than half-assed. Yeah, and I will know in myself that these things are attached properly, and I got nothing to worry about. So that is where we're going. We're heading up north into the darkness. It's raining, it's miserable, but I'm in my van, so who cares? I love my van. That's it, join me. Just boring ass motorway, just smashing out the miles. Just boring, especially at night. Can't see anything, just tail lights, headlights, nothing else. Oh well, let's get it done. Absolutely shattered. Just hammered the miles out. It's 1:15, just got here, and I'm done. Just smashed out 4 or 5 hours of driving, just to be here for 9 o'clock. Sorry, for 8 o'clock in the morning. Parked right outside. I'm gonna get my head down in a minute, but yeah, shattered. And I'm just, I don't know, probably a bit retarded or something, because I just don't think the practicalities of everything. I don't think through the realistic sort of practicalities. I just think, it's 5 hours, that's easy. 250 miles, I'll do that in no time. Without thinking that I'm actually going to have to do it for 5 hours, drive for 5 hours and smash out nearly 250 miles, you know. I do it, but I don't realize how taxing it is. I'm not a young man anymore, see? But I probably do more now than I used to. But anyway, I'm gonna hunker down. So let me set the van up. I've got those bloody things in the back there, so I've got to try and find somewhere to put those. I'm gonna put the screens in the thermal screens in the mirror, in the windows. I can't even speak. In the windows, just so anyone walking past knows there's someone in here clipping with a bloody big knife or something. You know, who knows what I've got in here. And yeah, I just need to hunker down. So it's 1:15 now. I've got to be up at 7 o'clock at the latest, I suppose, to make a coffee and get myself sorted, to be in there at 8. So yeah, I'm looking at about, well, 5.5 hours if I'm lucky. 6 at a push, but 5.5 realistically. Right, so this is where I am. Just a big industrial park. No one around. Deadly quiet. So yeah, just got the van. Just with the solar thermal blinds in there. Still blacked out, stealthed up. Just waiting to go in there. That's where we're going tomorrow, I think. Yeah, that's it. Now I need to sleep. Got the bed down. Got the fucking got the bed down. I mean, very quick, rudimentary. I mean, there's even a big box on the floor still. So yeah, we're not living in luxury right now. But yeah, just really threw the bed down. Warming the van up. I'm gonna just jump in. So after all that effort and madness and traveling, time to hit the hay for about 5 hours, and then I'll speak to you in the morning when we're rolling the truck in there and getting the equipment put on the front of it and down the sides. But first we'll have a coffee together. So see you in the morning. Good morning. Oh, woke up at 6 o'clock, freezing, because I turned everything off, and it got down to -2. I didn't realise it was going to be that cold. Woke up freezing, and yeah, the heating, the diesel heater's been on now, trying to warm the van back up for about 45 minutes. My God, it's 6:45. I've just been lying in the old kippy bag, in the sleeping bag, just trying to stay warm, waiting for the temperature to come back up in the van. But my God, it got cold. Woke up absolutely frozen to the bone. But yeah, it's almost 7 now, so I'm just gonna make some coffee and get cracking with the day. There it is. That looks interesting. I got the sidebars. Okay, the van is done and it looks awesome. It's a bit grubby, so I'm not going to show you too much, but I'll do a big reveal when we get back and show you exactly what I've done to the van over the last couple of months. Quite a few big changes, including that pop top. So I'll give you a new van tour when we get back, show you exactly what we got going on in the van and what we've done to it over the last month or so. Till then, I got 5 hours of motorway to get through. But it's worth it. When you see the van, you'll know it's worth it. Four hours, 17 minutes without a stop. Obviously, I'm going to stop for some fuel and a bit of food because I haven't eaten. Just had a protein bar. Yeah, so we got a long way to go. Need some food. Just had to get just a quick meal from Marks and Spencer's because I just want to grab something, a sandwich, just hit and run, you know, so I can keep driving rather. Yeah, and there's a van in the background. Very happy with that.